हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर 10 का एक्सरसाइज 10.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। प्रूव दैट द परपेंडिकुलर एट द पॉइंट ऑफ अ कॉन्टैक्ट टू द टेंजेंट टू अ सर्कल passes through the center. This is circle, this is O. To prove perpendicular at the point of a contact to the tangent, that is tangent AB, OP is a perpendicular, OP is perpendicular on AB tangent. At the point of a contact to tangent to a circle passes through the center. There P is a point of contact. To prove OP is passes through the center O. There we take another one point on a O dash P. O dash P is also radius. Okay. O dash PB equals to 90 degree. Question 1. Angle OPB equals to 90 degree because OP is perpendicular on AB, that is the 90 degree. From equation 1 and 2, O dash PB equals to OPB. This is question number 3. From figure we can see O dash PB angle O dash PB equals to OPB. That is question number 4. Therefore, O dash PB equals to OPB is not possible. Or we can write, O dash P and OP are coincident line. Therefore, the perpendicular drawn from P passes through the center O. Next question number 6. The length of a tangent from a point A, distance 5 cm from the center of the circle, is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. There is a circle center is O. The length of a tangent from A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. That is 4 centimeter and that is 5 centimeter. A that is B. OA equals to 5 centimeter. AB equals to 4 centimeter. Find the radii OB. So OB square equals to OA square minus AB square. OA equals to 5 square minus 4 square, that equals to 25 minus 16. So OB square equals to 9 square. So OB equals to under root 9. OB equals to 3 centimeter. So radii is 3 centimeter. Question number 7. Two concentric circles are a radius of 5 centimeter and 3 centimeters. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. There is a two concentric circles. Two concentric circles of a radius of 5 centimeter and a 3 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter and that is 5 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the large, this one, O is the P, Q, and it is OA. There is a OA equals to 3 centimeter, OP equals to 5 centimeter. Find the value of PQ. Find the length of the chord PQ. In triangle OPA, PA square equals to OP square minus OA square. OP square equals to 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9. So PA square equals to 16. So PA equals to under root 16. PA equals to 4 centimeter. Because OA is perpendicular on PQ. So PQ equals to 2PA. So 2 into 4 equals to 8 centimeter. PQ equals to 8 centimeter. Answer. Next question. Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. There is a one circle and ABCD A, B, C and D. P, Q, R and S to prove AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. To prove there DR equals to DS, tangent draw from point D. Question first. CR equals to CQ. Tangent drawn from point C. Equation 2. BP equals to BQ. Tangent drawn from point B. Equation 3 as well. AP equals to AS. Tangent drawn from point A. Question number 4. From equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 DR plus CR plus BP plus AP equals to DS plus CQ plus BQ plus AS. DR plus CR, DR plus DR, CD, BP plus AP, DR plus CR and BP plus AP equals to AB. As usual, DS equals DS and AS, DS and AS equals to DA plus CQ plus QB equals to BC. Hence, proved. Question number 9. In figure, X and X dash Y are two parallel tangents. There is a X, Y, X dash, Y dash to a circle with a center O. That is center O. Another tangent AB. This is another tangent AB with a point of contact C at a C intersecting XY at a A and X dash Y at a B. Prove that angle AOB equals to 90 degree. To prove, first we take angle, that is a P and that is a Q. First we take triangle OPA. We have construct C. OC is radii. Take triangle OPA and triangle OPA and triangle OPA and OCA. OP equals to OC, radii. AP equals to AC, tangent from A. OA common. So triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA. SSS similarity from SS similarity. So angle POA equals to angle COA by CPCT. Question number 1. As usual, similarly, triangle OBQ, triangle OBQ is congruent to triangle OBC. So angle QOB equals to angle BOC. Equation 2 by CPCT. Now equation 1 and equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2. Angle POA plus angle COA plus angle COB plus angle QOB 180 degree linear pair. From equation 1 and 2, angle POA equals to COA, so 2 angle COA plus angle BOC, so 2 angle BOC equals to 180 degree. 2 common, angle COA plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. So angle COA plus angle BOC equals to 180 upon 2, that equals to 90 degree. Angle COA and angle BOC equals to angle AOB. This angle AOB, that equals to 90 degree. Hence proved. Thank you.